Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. In this example, we are going to do some more of set theory and into probability. So there is a survey, and we found that there were people with left eye dominant and right eye dominant, respectively. Also, when they fold their hands, you have B1 to be the right thumb on top and B2 to be the left thumb on top. And after the statistics survey, then you have this table, and so they're asking to find A, B, C, and D, and E, such that A is the probability of A1 intersection B1. So A1 for part A, probability of A1 intersection B1 would equal to A1 intersection B1 is anything that A1 and B1 have in common is 5. And the total of them is 35 students. So A1 and B1 is really straightforward. It's 5 out of 35. B1 or B says probability of A1 union B1. Now, remember that in set theory, not in set theory, but in the first chapters of your class, if there is any intersection, then the union formula would be PA, in this case PA1, plus PB minus PA intersection B. Remember that one. So this is the formula we are going to use for this one because we have an intersection in okay, I guess not here. Let me do that part right there. I'm gonna make it a little bit more. So PA1 union B1 would equal to PA1 plus PB1 minus PA1 minus PA1 intersection B1. So that would be your PA union 1 formula, where PA1 actually equals to 12 out of 35 plus PB1 is 19 out of 35 and PA1 intersection B1 we already know is 5 out of 35. That would equal to 26 out of 35. So this would be PA1 union B1. Let me rewrite that 9 too. Okay, in C now we are asked for PA1 given B1. So PA1, this bar right here means given, and I'm sure you guys know that already. That means you know the second part, but you are looking for the first part. And another way to write that is to think of PA1 intersection B1 divided by PB1, which will be PA1 intersection B1 would be 5 out of 35 divided by B1. B1 is 19 out of 35. So 35 over 35 equals to 1, and you have 5 out of 19. And in D, part D, nope, too much. Let's see if I can just make it more right here. Okay. In part D, is asking for PB2 given A2, which is the same thing as PB2 intersection A2 over PA2. That would equal to PB2, which is intersection A2, would equal to 9. So 9 out of 35 over A2. A2 is 23 out of 35. So you would have 35 over 35 equals to 1, and the answer will be 9 out of 23. Okay. Now part E. Part E says, if the students had their hands folded on you and you hoped to select a left eye dominant student, would you select the right thumb or a left thumb? Why? Now basically what to understand in this one is that you know that you're going to have a right thumb or a left thumb, which, remember, a right thumb is B1 and left thumb on top is B2, and left eye is A2, or actually A1, my bad, A1. Now the question asked means, it's what it means. Given that, given that, I put that bar right here, which means given that a student is right thumb on top, which is, I think it's B2, right thumb on top is B2 or B1, is B1. So given a student is right thumb on top, B1, find the probability that the person is left eye dominant, A1. And that, we already have it, it's part C, so it's 519. Now, again, that's one, because we need to find either which one we would select. Would you select left thumb on top and left eye dominant, or a right thumb on top, left eye dominant? So we have to find for a person who is left thumb on top and left eye dominant. So given that a person is left thumb on top, which is B2, would you select a person who is left eye dominant, which is A1? And A1, B2, now would be the probability of A1 intersection B2 over the probability of B2, which would equal to A1, B2 would be 7 7 out of 35, over B2, which is 16 out of 35. So 35 over 35 equals to 1. Then you have 7 out of 16. So, now the answer, would you select 5 out of 19, or would you select 7 out of 19? So let's see, 7 out of 16. Now let's see which one of them is bigger, 5 out of 19 or 7 out of 16, and you would select 7 out of 16 because that one is a bigger probability. So the answer would be left eye dominant and the left thumb on top. So yes, this is this exercise. I didn't want to take that long to do it, but things happen. So I hope you understood the part C, D, and E most likely, because they are more difficult to understand. So so if you like it, thumbs up, and if you don't, thumbs down. And if you don't understand, you can comment and say, this part right here I couldn't understand because of such and such. So thank you for watching, and have a nice day.